movie will be about X8R receiver, because one R similar asked me what it means 8 or 16 channels. How I can connect 16 channels with this receiver? How is it possible? It's easy. On standard X8R receiver you can connect standard 8 servos on 8 channels, or on this connector you can connect cable with 16 servos on one connector, really, with 16 servos with use of S.Bus mode. For example, I have here this nice FrSky S.Bus servo, and this servo is set as channel 4. Each S.Bus servo you can set on any channel number. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, blah, 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 to 16 for this receiver. So this servo I have set or as channel 4. Of course you can connect 16 servos here on one connector, one S.Bus connector, and you can connect, for example, I don't know, 50 servos, because you can set, for example, 20 servos as channel 10 or channel 5, etc., etc. And each from 10 actually same servos on, for example, channel 5, each from these 10 servos you can set with special programmer with different settings about endpoint adjustment, subtrames, rotation, etc., etc. Of course, if servo has this function. But standard setup is 8 servos, PPM or PWM here, or 16 channels for S.Bus here. Of course, I can on S.Bus connect S.Bus servo as channel 4, and here I can connect normal servo as channel 4 too, and both will work without any problems. Is this only one this way as connect or as use with Taranis 16 servos? No, because you can connect to, or you can bind with Taranis to X8R or X6R, but this movie will be about X8R, to X8R receivers. One receiver will be master, second receiver will be as slave, or how I say, daddy and mom. Daddy will use first 8 channels from 16, will use telemetry, and will use telemetry with smart port connector or connection. Mom will use second 8 channels from 9 to 16, but without telemetry and without telemetry sensors on smart port, because smart port on mom, on slave mode, is not working just. But first 8 and second 8 channels, it means this standard channels, because both receivers has on S.Bus full 16 channels, including mom. I will show you. So now how I can bind receiver for this situation. You must use standard D16 mode. D16 mode. D16. But what is different? Standard setup is channel from 1 to 8, but we won't use 16 channels, so we want 1 to 16. And master or daddy bin procedure is absolutely same like on standard just standard receiver in D16 mode. So I will press button on receiver. I will connect battery, just power. I can release, press bind button, let this flashing. Okay, that's all. My daddy is online or connected to Taranis. Now mommy. With mommy, of course, with mom it's a little bit more difficult. Look on instructions for your receiver. You can see in mode D16 you can use 4 modes. Mode 2, 3, 4, 5. Daddy or master receiver. A few moments ago we bind in mode 5. It means D16 mode with telemetry support for channel 1 to 8. Bind procedure without any jumper. Just mode 5. Mommy. Mom or slave receiver, we will bind in mode 3. It means D16 mode without telemetry, because only one from 2 receivers could be with telemetry, and daddy is with telemetry, so mom must be without telemetry. For channel 9 to 16, and we need connect with jumper signal pins on channels 1 and 2. So let's go. Mom receiver, jumper, signal pins is here, and I will connect these 2 pins on slave or mom receiver. So, and next procedure is the same like on master or daddy receiver. Press button, connect battery, press bind, LED light is flashing. Okay, disconnect. That's all. Now we have 2 8 channels receivers binded together with this Taranis. One with telemetry, one without telemetry. Now I will show you on this Taranis. I have one example only for this movie. 18 channels on switches and sticks and etc. For example, channel 1 on this switch, channel 2, channel 3, channel 4, channel 5, channel 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. We will connect to Daddy or master receiver. We will connect standard servo, any shit high-tech 81 on channel 6, for example. Yes, standard servo on channel 6, and I will connect my S.Bus servo, which is set on channel 4 on S.Bus connector. Oof. Okay. Probably we will have some problems with loss of connection because the receiver is too close to transmitter. So this servo, standard setup PPM PWM on channel 6. This servo S.Bus on channel 4, or S.Bus servo on S.Bus connector, and servo is set up as channel 4. So I will connect power. Maybe, where is my power? Here. So channel 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, channel 6 and channel 4 on S.Bus.
Telemetry lost. Telemetry recovered.
But I can connect from channel 6 servo on standard channel 4 connector. So now is normal servo on channel 4 and S.Bus servo is channel 4 too. No problems, it just will works. Okay. Yes. Means you can use S.Bus and standard PPM servo on same channel. So this is master or daddy receiver. Now I will connect a slave receiver. Some next power. Both receivers you can load with same power source or with different power source. So I have here next power source. So power, you can see green light, it means second receiver, slave receiver, mom receiver is under power and connected to transmitter, same like daddy receiver. Green lights, all is okay. So next standard servo I will connect to slave or mom receiver for jumper is still here on channel
telemetry lost
on channel 4. But this is not channel 4 because this receiver is for channels 9 to 16. It means 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes, and
telemetry recovered.
And 12. 12 is what? Yes, 12 is this slider. So channel 12, and on other receiver channel 4. One small things remains. How I say, slave receiver 9 to 16.
FrSky critical.
Too close, I'm too close. Slave receiver 9 to 16. But on S.Bus I have full 16 channels. Not only
FrSky low. Telemetry lost. Telemetry recovered.
Shut up. On slave,
Telemetry lost. Telemetry recovered.
Jesus, this is horrible. On slave, I have channels 9 to 16, but on S.Bus I have channels 1 to 16, all 16 channels. I will disconnect my S.Bus servo from master or daddy receiver, and I will connect it
Telemetry
to.
lost. Telemetry recovered.
I must shut up this. I'm just too close. So I now will connect S.Bus servo channel 4 on second slave receiver, and how you can see, it just works. Channel 4 on the second receiver, which has on standard 8 channels, channels 9 to 16. It means master receiver channel 4, yes, on this servo. The servo is connected to master receiver channel 4, but I have next channel 4 on second receiver, and I have on second receiver channel 12. Yes, I hope it is understandable. Too many wires, too many receivers, too many servos, and this is magic. You can combine receivers, servos standard, S.Bus servos. You can multiply S.Bus servos. Many options, many possibilities. So that's all. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.